Hello out there. Today I want to teach you how to create a macOS bootable USB stick with macOS Sierra built in. Okay? First thing we want to do is we want to go to the App Store. From the App Store, you want to click on Featured, or it might pop up the Featured when you look for it. We want to go over to Search, and we want to try to find Sierra. Click on Mac OS Sierra, and here it is. It's under Utilities as far as a category. Mac OS Sierra. You want to download it. It should take a couple minutes to download, depending on your download speed. It is a 4.5 to 5 gig file. We want to go ahead and do that. I've already done it. Save time, and it should be found in your applications listing under Mac OS Sierra. And just want to give you a little hint. Every one of these operating systems, Yosemite, Mavericks, El Capitan, macOS Sierra, can be put onto a USB stick and made bootable. Okay, today we're going to do macOS Sierra. So what you want to do is right click on macOS Sierra, click on Show Package Contents. Inside of Contents, click that open. You find Shared Support. Click open Share Support, and you want to look for a file called install.esd.dmg. Right click on that, and you want to open it up. You can either verify or not. I won't verify just to save time on the video. Skip that. That's going to open up, and it's going to open up one folder. But I want to tell you that there are several files inside here. You can't see them. So I'm going to show you, or excuse me, teach you how to show hidden files. You want to go to the terminal, and I want you to type in, which I've already typed, I'll just bring it up, and you type this exactly the way you see it. Exactly the way you see it. With the caps, you want to type in defaults, space, right, space, com.apple.finder, space, Apple, show all files. Capital A, capital S, capital A, capital F, and then all uppercase true. You want to press enter after you've typed that, and you go, oh, it's not doing anything. All right. What you have to do, you have to reset the Finder, and in order to reset the Finder, you just type in kill all Finder exactly the way you see it, with a lowercase, kill all, capital F, Finder. Press enter after that, and you will see the hidden files. Okay, there's 4 of them, right? We don't need this until later, till you want to unhide. And just to give you a little hint on that, on unhide, when you want to hide the files, you want to just change that statement to false. Same statement, defaults, right, space com.apple.finder, space Apple show files, and then false, and then after that command, you want to type in kill all space finder, and that will make these go away, which I will demonstrate right now. So we got false, and you do kill all finder, and they will go away. You probably want to have all your hidden files hidden after this is done. But for this purpose of creating the USB stick, we need to make it true and show all the hidden files. All right, so we minimize this. From here on, you want to go ahead and keep all the files that you want to the top left-hand corner, because the bottom left-hand corner, the bottom right-hand corner will be reserved for your USB stick, okay? So we want to right-click and open the base system.dmg. You can verify if you want to, but I usually skip it. And it'll open this file here. Next step, we want to go ahead and format your USB. So in order to format a USB on the Mac, we want to bring up the disk utility. Okay, the disk utility will have the install ESD and the base system files that are located here, and they'll be located here. So now we want to put in the USB stick, which I'm doing right now, and it should come up. There we go. And it should come up. And okay, I've already done this, so let me go ahead and close it out for you. And let me go ahead and format it. So what I want to do is I want to format this for you. So you want to click on, this is the device name, this is the partition of the device. So let's go ahead and erase that, which you need to do, and I'll just name it 32 gig underscore USB. Real simple. Keep it simple. All right. Format would be OS extended journaled. Okay. Always OS extended journaled. Go ahead and erase it. Should take a couple seconds to erase. Mounting, erasing, boom, done. Fast USB stick. Now the USB stick is named 32 gig USB right here. Okay, got it? Now we want to restore the contents of OS X base system onto our USB. In order to do that, you do not click on the device name. You click on the partition you just created and click restore. Now you do not want to restore the install.esd. You want to restore the base system. Click on restore. It'll start the process. I'm showing you the details. And the USB stick is a 3.0, and it's like I said before, I'm gonna keep on saying this through the whole video. It's fast, and it will save you tons of time. I'll probably make this video in 10 minutes. Creating this USB with a slower device will take 30, easy. So this is verifying, and it's almost finished the restore. I'm just gonna wait for it, and done. We can go ahead and click done. We can go ahead and minimize or close out of the disk utility. Go ahead and close it up. We don't need it anymore. Done. Now this base system, which is on top of the other base system and the other install ESD, this one is on your USB device. So you want to drag this one down to the bottom right corner. This is on the computer. This is on the USB device. Okay. Now let's go into now these files here. These files are very important. This file is called packages. We want to go ahead and copy this file. We want to go into system on the USB system, go into installation, and from installation you see where packages is. Okay, this is packages. So different packages we want to delete or move to trash this packages, and we want to paste this packages here, because these are the package files that will create the installation. And once this is done, should be done. Like I said, if you have a slow USB, all these processes are taking me less than a minute, will take you 10, 20, 30 minutes easy. So get yourself a nice, fast SanDisk 3.0 USB stick. We're almost done. So the files that are now unhidden in the install ESD folder, we want to copy base system DMG and copy base system chunk list. Okay, right click, copy, and this is almost done. We'll go ahead and let this finish. Excuse me, it's copying those 4.45 gigabytes to your USB drive. All right, that's done. Now we can go ahead and close. Well, actually, let's go ahead and compare. Let's compare this file, which is 4.45 gigabytes, to this file, which is 4.45 gigabytes. They're the same. Go ahead and close this out on USB, close this out on USB, and what you want to do is you want to copy the base system chunk list, base system DMG to your root. This is the root of the USB under the OS X base system. So go ahead and paste those two items. You'll paste the base system chunk list and base system DMG. And you are done. This is complete. We will go ahead and just close everything out, and we want to go ahead and just eject. And eject. And I think I need to eject this as well. All right, everything's ejected. Now, what you want to do is you want to pull out your USB stick, put it back in, and it should launch the base system folder, which it did. And we want to verify that you do have a working installation of macOS Sierra. So go ahead and double click on that, and then click continue. You do need to verify, but if you fail the verification, you can boot to your USB and it will work just fine. Continue, but you shouldn't fail the verification because it's free software, but just in case you fail. Just in case you don't have a Wi-Fi connection or internet access. Okay, this is where this comes in handy. That's why the USB is good. So you want to agree to the terms, and you want to go ahead and choose a Mac HD. When you install from USB on a boot, the system will show you these two drives. You do not choose the Mac HD to install. You double click on the OS base system to boot from the USB to install, okay? So these two files, when you shut down your machine, okay, keep your USB in, shut it down, turn the machine back on with the USB in the drive. You want to hold down the Option key as soon as you hear the Apple chime or see the white screen, whichever comes first. Hold down the Option key and it'll boot to the Options menu, which you'll see Mac HD and OS X base system. All right? And you want to choose that. And once you go into OS X base system, it'll allow you to install and partition your new device for the installation of Mac OS Sierra. Thank you for your time, and I'll make some other videos. Please leave your comments down at the bottom, and let me know if you have any criticism about how I made the video. This is my first time, so knock yourself out. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.